What is going on, everyone? Leon checking in, and we're at it again with another episode. In today's content, we'll be covering more of the Meta Quest Pro and the fit adjustment, which optimizes positioning when equipped. As for this content, it's featured on the Meta Quest playlist, so you can find information related to this topic quickly and easily. All things said, let's go ahead and get into it. So I was thinking of doing this video with the headset already installed, but I wanted to basically start from the basics here so that you can see what everything is like. So I'm going to take the Meta Quest Pro, place it on my head. It actually sits on my head nicely. It's balanced really well. And I'm going to power on the headset. We've got the power button on this side here. I'm going to press and hold. Now, if you are watching this video, you won't be able to see anything going on because I can't do a screen recording yet, but we have the Meta logo. There's going to be a startup sound. I'm hoping the mic will catch that as well. But the Meta logo kind of looks like a sideways 8. That was the startup sound if you caught it. And it kind of looks a little bit 3D in the projection here. And right now I am going to be using my hands to control everything. You can use the controllers. I've got the Meta Quest Pro controllers here, but we are going to confirm our Guardian. I'm using my hands once again here to control everything. It works really well. It takes a little bit of patience to learn, but it's certainly a futuristic experience. But I'm going to get a screen recording going here so that we can drop it into the video. We're going to record video. I'm going to include the audio. Again, you can't see any of this until I hit the start recording right now. So we are going to back out of here. And we're going to talk about how to do the fit adjustment. Now, before I actually jump into the fit adjustment, I will say I kind of messed everything up on my headset. So hopefully the fit adjustment is a little bit more intuitive. So we are going to go to settings here at the bottom. It's quick settings. We're going to click on that. It's going to be that little area with the clock. And then we'll go to the top right hand corner. We're going to have settings here as well. We're going to click there. And then we're going to go to system in the top left hand corner here. We're going to click again. I keep saying click, but we're actually doing a pinch motion with our fingers here with our thumb and index finger. And this brings us to our first option, display. That's where we're going to have the fit adjustment that you see here. And we are going to make sure that fit adjustment is enabled. And then we have an option underneath, start fit adjustment. We're going to pinch to select. And now we are entering fit adjustment. Now I love the fit adjustment because it is very futuristic. You can see it's telling us to move the lenses inward. So I am going to grab on the lenses here. You won't be able to actually see the lenses are behind this main portion here. So I am going to push. We have these numbers appear. It's a digital option here, and it lets you know placement is good. Now it says fit adjustments are complete, but there is also another adjustment where it would make you put the headset up or down to make sure it's actually installed correctly. I'm going to see if we can get it to do that because I want to show that portion as well. So I'm going to point this like too far down, and we're going to try here. We're going to actually try to mess up the headset. So we're going to go back to our quick settings. We're going to select settings in the top right hand corner. Make sure we're in display, start the fit adjustment. So lens spacing should be good, but it's telling us to adjust to 63. Placement is good. Let's see if it says anything about the headset. So this is the part that we're talking about. It says move the headset up. Now, before I actually move it up, I want to see if we could trick it, maybe just by lifting my head up. So that's not going to trick it, but we would just take the headset, lift it up. Placement is good, and then we would tighten up. So this is very nice. It's very futuristic. It works flawlessly. It's very smooth. It seems really good. You can't really trick it, as you just seen me try to do here. And when we get done, I do feel that I have a very optimal fit. I'm not sure how it's going to affect the screen recording. I haven't been able to get my screen recordings perfectly straight. So hopefully for this video, it'll be a little bit more straight. Maybe it helps that I'm also sitting down as well. So that is it for today's content. If you enjoyed it and found it useful, please leave a like. If you're watching on YouTube and have any questions or comments, as always, drop those down below and I'll do my best to answer them. Now, there are 3 ways you can support the content. The first way is to click on the Amazon storefront link in the description below. There you'll find items that I have bought or would buy, and anything you buy from the storefront does support the content. The next way you can show your support is just by sharing this content with someone who might enjoy it or find it useful. And the last way you can show your support is just by clicking the subscribe button. Now, liking and subscribing are important because those are ways to vote on whether you like the content. Liking and subscribing are also important for new viewers and listeners. If new viewers and listeners see likes and subscribers, they're going to think that the content is helpful, worth watching, and listening to. And as always, thanks for watching and may the universe flow in your favor. And until next time, Leon checking out.
You